So we're going to take a look at the metric system first today. So again, if you did not enjoy the PowerPoint version, if you like this better, that's fine. But basically the metric system is based on multiples of 10. The United States uses the imperial system in its major measurements, but it does use the metric system whenever dealing with scientific discoveries. For example, Eli Lilly, the labs downtown Indianapolis, all of their instruments are in what's called System International, or the metric system. GE with their aircraft engines and stuff like that, same thing. So the most common measurements we take are mass, length, time, and volume. Mass is measured in grams, length meters, time seconds, and volume liters. Here's a quick description. Mass is basically how much something is there, the amount of matter that is there. Length is obviously a distance between 2 points. Time is basically continued progress, how long something takes. And volume is the amount of space that something takes up. So unfortunately, we're not going to be able to use the measurement laboratory because you guys aren't in here. I'm going to try to find something comparable on online. We'll see. So doing a metric conversion, basically if you want to use what's known as the decimal slide system, you need to have these memorized. Kilo, hecta, deca, base, deci, centa, milli. The base is 1, so this would be like grams, meters, seconds, or liters. And a gram, if you had 1,000 grams, that would be called a kilogram. You would write that kg. If you had 1,000th of a gram, or 0.001 grams, that would be called a milligram, or mg. And to get that conversion, basically, let's start with, let's say we have 5 grams. So if we want to figure out how many milligrams that is, 1, 2, 3 places. So 1, 2, 3 places. The decimal here moves 1, 2, 3. So that would be 5,000 grams. So 5 grams, 5,000 milligrams. So 5 grams equals 5,000 milligrams. Easy as that. Let's say we have 5 grams, and we want to figure out 5 grams equals how many kilograms? Well, this time we go 1, 2, 3 this way. So the decimal moves same way, 1, 2, 3. What we need to do is we need to place in there, we need to place zeros. So 1, 2, 3. So that would be 0.005 kilograms. So this diagram allows you to basically slide that. If you need help remembering it, there's a thing. It's called King Hector died by drinking chocolate milk. King Hector died by drinking chocolate milk. And that'll help you remember the order for it. Once you have that, remember, if I move this way, the decimal moves that way as well. So let's try a quick example. We have 2 kilograms. Well, King Hector died by drinking chocolate milk. Anytime you have one letter, that means you're at your base. So we have kilograms, and we want to get to the base. So 1, 2, 3. So 2 kilograms, we'll move it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 is 2,000 grams. How about 154 milliliters equals kiloliters? So we are at milliliters. So we want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 movements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 movements. 4, 5, 6 movements. So that's 0.123, 4, 5, 6 movements. Easy enough. Go ahead and finish the rest of these for homework. Hold off onto the nanometer unless you know how many nanometers are in a meter. And we will get to that whenever we do the complex metric conversion.